Are you getting LG error code 137 in your LG TV? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. So the first step is to restart your TV because restarting your TV sometimes solve this issue. Also try to change your Wi-Fi connectivity of your TV. You can try to connect it manually as well. You can go to network and you can click on network connection, and herein you can click on start connection, and after that you can see there is an option of manual setup as well. You can change Wi-Fi connection from here. Otherwise you can go for this manual setup to connect your Wi-Fi manually. You can also check your location where you have entered the correct location or not. I am from India, so India is showing for my country. You can change your country from here. You can simply change your country, whichever country you have, and after that you need to change the time settings. You need to go to the date and time, and herein you need to click on set automatically. It will set according to your country. The next step is to test with hotspot. So you can go to the network again, and you can see Wi-Fi directly showing here. Just tap on this and connect your mobile device with your TV and check whether internet is causing this issue or not. Make sure to update your software to the latest version. You can go to journal and you can find your software update option here. Click on about this TV and you can see first option software update is showing. Make sure to update your software to the latest version. If this does not work, you can go to the last option, which is reset to initial settings. So make sure to press on reset to initial setting only when nothing works, because it will reset your TV settings to the default one. And after following all these steps, make sure to restart your TV and see whether you are getting this issue or not. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.